Hi guys, welcome back to our Vinachaki channel. Today we would like to introduce our bestseller product. This is Sawdust charcoal, and we would like to distinguish between the market charcoal and Vinachaki VIP grade Sawdust charcoal. And now let's see the difference between the market and Vinachaki products. When you see outside the appearance, you can see that the market charcoal is bigger with the core and the flat and the rough surface. Besides, Vinachaki products will be metallic and bright and had a smooth texture. Let's come closer to see. You can see this one brighter, metallic, especially in the core. It was because of our advanced technology running in the kiln, which will be replaced by our technology skill steel kiln. However, for the market one, you cannot see anything special, right? Even the surface is rough and dumb. And what is the difference between the market and Vinachaki diameter? When we use our measurement, you can see the market charcoal briquettes is about 4.5 even to 5 centimeters. However, for our products, due to our high temperature in the kiln, so the diameter is smaller. It takes about only 3.8 to 4 centimeters. One of the interesting things that you cannot find out when testing charcoal is that we can use a small tool like this. We call it an electrical plug or the pen to test our carbon content in each briquette. For example, for the market charcoal, normally when we test and we touch on the surface of the charcoal, there's nothing happen. You can see nothing, no red, no light, and no signal from the tube. Now let's come back to Vinachaki. When we touch on the surface, 100% of our VIP grade charcoal will show the red light like this. I can test from the small to the big side to the big briquette, and you can see that all of them can show you that the carbon content is really high. And I can see that in the market, sometimes you can test charcoal quality by tapping or roll the charcoal briquette on the floor. So now I will show you the difference when you hear the sound and we see two briquettes like this. So today, I'll generally speak and introduce our products and distinguish between the market charcoal and high quality VIP grade Vinachaki products, right? So I hope that you can understand 4 features that we figured out today. And not only that, if you can choose our service and products, we guarantee our quality because of our 11 years of exporting and manufacturing. Besides, we have the system of the kiln system for advanced technology furnace, and choose us for the OEM service for packing and certification. And finally, see you on the next video with more informative and useful technique to distinguish our charcoal on market. See ya!